Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into the Anolon Advanced Home hard-anodized non-stick frying pan, specifically the 8.5-inch Moonstone model. This pan promises a lot for home cooks looking for durability and ease of use, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what makes this pan stand out, and that's its non-stick performance. Anolon highlights an ultra-durable non-stick release, and in my testing, it certainly lives up to that claim. Food, from delicate eggs to seared proteins, glides off with minimal effort. This isn't just about convenience during cooking, it's also a huge win for cleanup. We've all experienced that frustrating sticky residue, but this pan significantly reduces that hassle, making post-meal tidying a breeze. This level of non-stick performance is crucial for anyone who wants to cook with less oil and butter, leading to healthier meals. Beyond the surface, the construction of this pan is where its longevity really shines. It's engineered for fast, perfectly uniform heating. This is thanks to its hard-anodized construction, which Anolon states is twice as hard as stainless steel. What this means in practice is that the pan heats up quickly and evenly across the entire cooking surface. You won't get those hot spots that can burn your food in one area while leaving another undercooked. This consistent heat distribution is fundamental for achieving professional-looking and tasting results, whether you're searing a steak or gently cooking a batch of pancakes. The durability of the hard-anodized aluminum also means this pan is built to last, resisting warping and other signs of wear and tear that can plague lesser pans. Comfort and control are also key considerations for any kitchen tool, and Anolon has addressed this with their SureGrip pan handle. This handle is designed to provide a secure and comfortable hold, even when the pan is hot or you're maneuvering it around the stovetop. During use, I found the grip to be solid and reassuring, allowing for confident flips, tips, and tosses without any slippage. This is especially important for smaller pans like this 8.5-inch skillet, where precise movements are often required for dishes like omelets or fried eggs. Another feature that adds to the appeal of this Anolon pan is its easy-to-clean finish. Not only is the interior non-stick, but the exterior is also designed to be stain-resistant. This means that even after repeated use and exposure to heat, the pan should maintain its attractive moonstone finish and look newer for longer. This might seem like a minor detail, but it contributes to the overall aesthetic of your kitchen and can be a real plus if you take pride in your cookware. Finally, the versatility of this non-stick frying pan extends beyond the stovetop. It's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which opens up a whole new world of cooking possibilities. You can start a dish on the stovetop, like searing chicken, and then transfer the entire pan to the oven to finish cooking or to get a nice crispy skin. This is incredibly useful for one-pan meals and allows you to achieve a professional level of cooking without needing multiple pots and pans. So, let's break down the pros and cons of the Anolon Advanced Home hard-anodized non-stick frying pan. On the positive side, the non-stick performance is truly excellent and holds up well over time. The even heating is a significant advantage for consistent cooking results. The SureGrip handle offers superior comfort and control. The stain-resistant exterior keeps it looking good. And the oven-safe capability adds fantastic versatility to your cooking repertoire. It's a well-built pan that feels substantial and capable. However, there are a couple of potential downsides to consider. While the 8.5-inch size is perfect for single servings or smaller tasks like making eggs, it might be too small for families or for cooking larger quantities of food. Also, like most high-quality non-stick pans, it's important to use appropriate utensils, like silicone or wood, to avoid damaging the non-stick surface. And while it's hard-anodized, it's still not advisable to put it in the dishwasher if you want to maximize its lifespan. In conclusion, the Anolon Advanced Home hard-anodized non-stick frying pan in the 8.5-inch Moonstone size is a fantastic option for home cooks who prioritize performance, durability, and ease of use. It excels in non-stick capabilities, provides consistent heat, and offers a comfortable cooking experience. While the size might be limiting for some, for its intended purpose as a versatile, everyday small skillet, it's hard to beat. If you're looking to upgrade your egg pan or a small skillet that can handle a variety of tasks with minimal fuss, this Anolon pan is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.